Hi, this is Kim from Kimberly Kohler Designs and KimberlyKohler.com. Today I wanted to give you some variations and ideas from the tutorial from a couple weeks ago that I showed you. So we did a simple bead dangle necklace, and here are some examples right here. You can see it can vary just based on the bead alone. So the only difference between all of these are just I use different beads and different cords, different chains. So you can see that can really change things. Also, I gave the idea of possibly layering some necklaces. So, for example, let's just take a look. I made these as layering pieces for a specific outfit I actually have, which is pink. And these are very long. Actually, I am wearing the third component, which this is just a tiny little key. And I showed you this on my last video too, but I just wanted to show you again. The one way you can actually express your style is by choosing some different necklaces to kind of layer together. So these are 3 different lengths. These are actually this one is very long, and then this one's pretty long too. This one's actually very long. They're all pretty long. But you could actually just make short necklaces and layer them up. They don't even have to be different lengths. It's all up to you and what you want to do. So another idea is to kind of bunch up the bead dangles on one chain. So this is just 3. You could do even more, and it would make this cute little bunch on your neck. So it'd be cute as a shorter necklace, maybe more like a princess length, like 18 or 20 inches. I think that would be great. Or you could do it longer too. Whatever you would like to do. Do 3 bead dangles, slide them onto a chain. That's all you really have to do. So I'm pretty excited about this necklace and how it's turning out. So as you can see, this looks different, but it's really just the same technique. So I started with, in the middle, 1 bead dangle that actually has 4 beads, same technique, and then 3 on each side, and then 2 on each side. I kind of like how it looks now, but I was also playing with the idea of adding 1 more on each side to make it a little bigger. And then I literally just slid them in order on this ball chain, and I'm really liking how it looks. So alternatively, you could use a regular chain, and to make them a little more stable, you could just use jump rings and attach each one to the chain. On mine, they're just going to kind of flow around as they like. And I kind of like that. So you can make the choice yourself, but I like this idea a lot. This would work with other beads too. Like, these are all the same bead. They have different variations of the color, but they're all the same bead. I got them all together off the same strand. But you could use different sizes and shapes, different colors, make it maybe a little brighter to bring a little more joy into your day, or you could make it to match an outfit, whatever you want to do. But really, just grab some beads that just call to you, make some bead dangles, and just see what you come up with. So I will link the original bead dangle tutorial below. If you're new to wire wrap jewelry, I suggest you start with my free wire wrapping workshop. I will also put that link below. You can just get started. It is a real good basis. You get a real strong foundation in wire wrapping, and your first project, which is another simple project that you can actually really personalize to express your creativity. That free workshop will make you feel confident, and you'll be whipping up earrings. That's the project is earrings in no time. And when you're ready for it, I have my Wire Wrapping for Beginners e-course, which I share all kinds of different wire wrap jewelry components, and then I share what I call recipes to use the components to put together your own personal style of jewelry. So there's there's just so many different components, and then you can really change up the projects by fitting in like a different type of head pin that you make yourself, or different style of lots of different things. So that link will be below as well. I hope you have some ideas for your next necklace. Go out there and share your creativity and express yourself, and I can't wait to see what you make. Bye-bye.